I volunteer for the Men's Shed, which is a group set up to help men with mental health problems and also just men in general who are lonely, just want to get out of the house and see someone, have a chat, have a cup of tea. We build stuff out of wood, and everything we build is then sold and the money goes back into the Men's Shed to make it better. A friend of mine from Street Buddies, he's also part of the Men's Shed and also part of Street Buddies, was nagging me to go down there and spend some time with them, and I was like, oh, I haven't got the time, always putting it off. And then one day I was in Llanelli, I thought, you know what, I'll stick my head in, I'll have a cup of tea, and I never left. That was 2 years ago nearly now, and I'm stuck. I'm there all the time. I absolutely love the place. We go there, we have a bit of banter, have a cup of tea, make stuff out of wood. It is just the highlight of my week, every week. And we're open on Wednesdays, Fridays and Saturdays. Any men can turn up. Once we're open again properly, we'll have Ladies' Day running again, which again is a fantastic day. We get carers and the people they're caring coming in to help out and do stuff, and they have great fun. And we've had some good success come from the Men's Shed as well. We've managed to enable people to gain confidence and gain skills to be able to actually go out and get a job. We have people just coming off the street most times and just get in touch, talk to us, and all of a sudden then they're coming there. They come in, they have a bit of fun, they have a cup of tea and have a chat, and like me, never left. I've met some really fantastic people down there.